Hello everyone, this is Adam Meister, the Bitcoin Meister, the Disrupt Meister. Remember to like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, go down to the notes section. You can learn more about this video. You can see what to retweet for Vcash. You can see links to Steemit posts of mine. Last night I had a great interview with Gabriel. He's going to post that soon. He's going to have to do some edits because the sound quality was a little messed up at times, apparently. But I will post that on my Steemit. He will post it on his Steemit also. He'll be hosting it on his YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about Ethereum like I wanted to yesterday. This is not about Ethereum being put onto Coinbase as someone hypothesized, although that is interesting. You can buy Ethereum on Coinbase now. This is about something I read called Ethereum Classic. Yes, there's something called Ethereum Classic right now. And you all heard about the fork, the hard fork, where they defeated the DAO hacker by forking the blockchain and going in one direction. Well, the old blockchain still exists. The old Ethereum blockchain still exists. And these guys have taken it over, and they want other people to join them and get interested in it. And I found it to be very interesting. Now, let's go back to Ethereum for a second, regular Ethereum. As I said, it would recover, and I think it will recover. I mean, it's on its way to recovery now. The corporate interest, I always bring this up. There are corporate interests who are heavily invested in Ethereum, who want to see it do well, who want it as a corporate competitor to Bitcoin. So they're going to prop it up in hard times like this. And so now that the hard fork is over, the price is rising. I fully expect the price to hit the all-time highs of before the DAO. So I just want to reiterate that if you're interested in that kind of thing. But I mean, I'm not basing this on Adam's technical knowledge of Ethereum. No, I'm just saying there are corporate interests who wanted to do well, and it's going to do well. People are throwing money at it, and it'll just snowball from there. So anyway, and nothing against Ethereum. So there's a bunch of Russian people right now who are trying to do this Ethereum Classic, some English speakers. I will link to the article about it, to the Reddit about it, to the Twitter about it. But I find it fascinating because it shows that people want to take it over and continue it. They were really against a hard fork. And if exchanges start to sell it, and that's a question we'll get to below, I guess, later on, it could really be a test of the free market. Do you want to stay with the corporate hard-forked Ethereum, or do you want to stay with these hardcore believers in Ethereum who don't believe in forking, who are like, you know, they don't believe in bailouts type of thing? And I think people out there, if you're a miner, why not mine this Ethereum Classic? It can't be that hard compared to Ethereum. You probably can do it on your computer at home. I'm no expert in that, but it seems like a risk worth taking almost. Again, don't take mining advice from Adam Meister. Ask someone else, but it seems like an interesting idea. And you can tell by this video and my facial expressions maybe that I am in a totally speculative type of way. As 100% speculation, I'm interested in this Ethereum Classic. Now that we have Steam I'm making some Steam dollars from Steam, and I trade them in for Bitcoin, it's like I have extra Bitcoin. And this is, I guess, a Steam topic. Why not get on Steam, post some stuff, and let the Steam dollars that you trade in for Bitcoin fuel your speculative urges. Because all you guys have these speculative urges. Should I buy this altcoin? Should I buy that altcoin? Blah, 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 blah. Well, again, they're 100% speculations. And this Ethereum Classic is an 100% speculation also. But I have interest. I'm admitting it. Every guy wants to gamble a little bit. And I'm willing to gamble my Steemit, earnings. They're not a lot, but why not? It's kind of worth it. As a speculation, again, what I mean by that is that you're willing to lose 100% of what you put into Ethereum Classic. And based on the hash rate comparison between Ethereum Classic and regular Ethereum, just using that as the comparative formula, if you want to say it, I would say Ethereum Classic is worth between 5 and 10 cents. But people over at BitSquare, which is the only exchange selling it, and it's really complex, BitSquare. It's decentralized. It's not for beginners. It's hard to get on. I emailed the guy who made BitSquare. What a great guy. He helped me out a lot. But based on the price at BitSquare, people want like over 20 cents for this completely unproven speculative Ethereum Classic. And I think that's too much. I think some of these exchanges out there, some of these so-called free market believing exchanges, I don't know what they're afraid of. They should allow Ethereum Classic to be traded. Now, the other thing that I don't exactly get, I think if you have Ethereum, you automatically have Ethereum Classic. That is not clear to me. Okay? So if that's the case, then there are a lot of people who they'll be like, oh, I have this extra coin, I'll sell it for anything. So that's why we need the liquidity of a real market. So I'm making this video telling the exchanges, don't be afraid of the Ethereum mafia. And I'm not saying all Ethereum people are mafioso type people, but there's some people who are like, no, don't forget about this Ethereum Classic. Don't cover it. Don't exchange it. No. Let this be a test of the free market. This is a true test. And if you really believe in a free market, if you're an exchange and you say you believe in the free market, then allow this to be out there. You allow all sorts of other Trump coin, all sorts of weird things to be on your exchange. Let this be on your exchange too. So right now, you guys can check out BitSquare if you're interested, but that's really just a couple people, 10 people on there trading this thing. Shapeshift, come on guys, Shapeshift, do it. Take the risk. Block trades, you seem cool. Take the risk. Let's see this Ethereum Classic. And again, this is no diss on Ethereum. Ethereum is going to survive. But I'm interested to see if this Ethereum Classic gains real traction. I think it could. I think if it's worth 5 cents, 10 cents now, what would happen if it suddenly became popular and it was worth $1? A lot of people would be happy. And that's the speculative nature of the beast. So have a great weekend, everyone. I spoke about Ethereum. Bye.